Welcome class 9 students in the physics class as well as in the e-learning class for those of your friends whose parents have not allowed them to attend this offline class. Now today in this physics class we are going to discuss and I will explain that the topic law of conservation of energy, conservation of energy with the help of simple pendulum. Okay, the same thing we have discussed and have explained and proved with the help of a falling object. Once more we will discuss that what the law of conservation of energy tells us, that energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to other form. We have done one activity and we also proved this one with the help of falling object. Now, here we are going to prove this one with the help of simple pendulum. That is also mentioned in your NCERT. What is a simple pendulum? Simple pendulum is a bob. This one is known as bob. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं बच्चों bob, which is hung through an unstretchable string with a fixed point. This one is fixed point. And this is unstretchable string. Unstretchable string. This one is known as a simple pendulum. I will take 1 minute and I will tell you a story behind it, that the invention of simple pendulum. Sir Isaac Newton has invented this one, and that Galileo has invented this one, and scientists are almost pagal because they think about their research, they eat about their research, they talk about their research, they sleep about their research, they dance about their research, they sing about their research. मतलब सोते जागते हंसते बोलते वो लोग अपने रिसर्च के विषय में ही सोचते रहते हैं. तो once Mr. Galileo attended a church, he was a Christian, चर्च में वो लोग गए. तो आप लोग अगर कोई चर्च हम लोग के गए होंगे तो वहां देखे होंगे कि जब फादर या प्रिस्ट जब वर्शिप करते हैं तो उनके अटेंडेंट में बॉयज या गर्ल्स होते हैं, तो उनके हाथ में चेन्स लगा हुआ एक डिवाइस होता है ऐसे, और उसमें नीचे एक कटोरा होता है, उसमें लकड़ी का कोयला जलाकर और उसमें धूप, आप समझते हैं ना, उसको वो लोग ऐसे शेक करते रहते हैं. ठीक है ना. That time Galileo was thinking about a device by which he can find out the smallest unit of time, जो एकदम जो एक निम्नतम समय अंतराल का जो समय है वो पक्का बताया. और वही वो सोच रहे थे. वो चर्च गए थे भगवान जीसस क्राइस्ट के साथ का वर्शिप अटेंड करने, लेकिन उनके ध्यान में क्या था, अपना रिसर्च था. तो अचानक वो सोचते सोचते उनका ध्यान उस वो जो डिवाइस ऐसे हिल रहा था उस पर चला गया. और उन्होंने काउंट करना शुरू किया, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. उन्होंने देखा कि वो जो जैसे एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक एक ही समय अंतराल में आ रहा है और एक ही समय अंतराल में वापस जा रहा है. That particular incident gave him the idea to invent pendulum, and that is the secret of invention of simple pendulum by chance. तो ये सिंपल पेंडुलम बच्चों. अब इसमें क्या होता है, दिस वन, सपोज दिस पोजीशन इज बी, इट इज नोन एज मीन पोजीशन. Suppose this pendulum is raised left side here, height h. Because of the change of place and position, this bulb will attain some which energy? Potential energy, because of the change of place and
Position.
Here the potential energy of the bulb is maximum. The potential energy of the bulb is maximum. Okay. मैम क्लास ले रहा हूँ मैं. क्लास ले रहा हूँ क्लास. हाँ ला. Now suppose this bulb is raised up to height h at position A. Is it continued?
Yes.
Okay. Now because of the change of place and position, then this bulb will attain our maximum of potential energy. Now suppose this bulb is allowed to release. Release. Now here this bulb is coming towards position
B.
Mean position.
So from A to B, what happened? The maximum potential energy will decreases. Potential energy from A to B. From A to B, that potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases. Okay. At B, it will attain the maximum of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy will become maximum and here potential energy become minimum. Since it attained maximum of kinetic energy and because of the momentum, then this bulb will reach on the other hand up to point C. And again in this condition, here the potential energy will be maximum and kinetic energy will be nil or 0. After that again it starts moving from C to B. So what is the position from A to B? Then the C to B will be the same. What happened? Here from C to B, potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases. Again at B it will attain the maximum of
Kinetic energy.
and thus it reaches up to B. So this way the simple pendulum moves from A to C and from C to A through B. What I have explained, you have to write it. अब कैसे लिखेंगे बच्चों? Let the bulb is at B. This one is known as mean position. Okay. It is raised left side at A. Okay. Then you write here at A the bulb attain maximum of potential energy and here kinetic energy is almost equal to 0. As it releases, the bulb moves from A to B. In this course, means path, what happened? Potential energy, very good. Potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases. Now, condition 2. At B, the bulb attain maximum of
Kinetic energy.
The bulb attain maximum of
Kinetic energy.
kinetic energy and potential energy is almost
Zero.
because of the kinetic energy and the momentum gain. The ball start moving towards B, that is the extreme right position. Because of maximum kinetic energy and momentum, the ball move towards extreme right position C. Extreme right position C. Okay, now condition 3. Is it getting here? Okay. Condition third. Thank you. At C, what happened? The ball attain maximum of, now here, from A to C. From A to C. Potential energy, kinetic energy,
Sir, A to C या फिर B to
sorry,
C?
B to C, thank you. Kinetic energy decreases and potential energy increases. Very good, increases. Now condition 4. At C, the ball
Has maximum
attain maximum of
potential energy.
very good, maximum of potential energy and kinetic energy is almost zero. This way, the ball move from A to C and C to A in to and fro direction. आप लिख सकते हैं in to and fro direction. Here it has been observed that the potential energy change into kinetic energy, total potential energy change into kinetic energy, and total kinetic energy transform into change, not change, transform is given. That here, आप यहाँ लिख दीजिए, यहाँ जगह नहीं है, लिख दूँ मैं. It has been observed that PE means
potential energy
transforms in KE and again PE. So it proves that energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but it transforms from one form to other form. You got this idea?
Yes.
So here I have completed your chapter. Any doubt you can ask, my dear students. पूछना है कुछ आपको इसमें? Okay. God bless you. Please note it down. Then I will take some numericals.